Hi friends, today we'll discuss what is call option and what is put option, what is difference between call option and put option also. Contract between a person who buys and a person who sells. This is a call and put contract between buyer and seller. No obligation or no transfer of shares. So there is no obligation. There is no transfer of shares, only contract between a buyer and seller. So physically you are not transferring any shares to buyer account. This is only a contract. It gives the buyer right to buy. So buyer right to call option, seller always a put option at the fixed rate at the fixed period. So after 3 months particular company share I want to sell, means I will go for the put option. So I want to buy that share after 3 months, fixed rate and fixed period. So on a particular rate and a particular period, if I want to buy, I will go for the call option. Other person you want to sell, will put a put option. So there won't be any obligation, there won't be any transfer of shares. So both doesn't hold any shares of the company, just they'll have a contract. Okay, after 3 months I'll buy the shares for this rate. After 3 months he says I'll sell the shares for this rate. Sell or buy is exercised price at which the stock or index is traded in the market. Yes. Expiry date at which the option become invalid. Premium purchase price of an option. So all this call put option you will have a expiry date. On that expiry date it will become invalid. So whatever rate available you have to square off. You may get profit or loss, it will be square off, means maybe you can't further move it to the next month. On that day all this will be expired and all the accounts will be settled. So now we will see the difference. What is the meaning? Right to buy value of asset till expiration. Okay, I have expiration date, right to buy value of asset. Put option, right to sell value of asset till expiration. So after expiration you can't do anything. If you have put option it will be sold. If it is a call option it will be bought. That's all. So call option buy the option, put option always sell. It is only permitted. So in call option you can't go for the selling, in put option you can't go for the buy option. So call option means permitted only for to buy, put option to permit sell only. Profit, when the price goes up then you have a call option, you will get a profit. If share price goes down, if you have put option you will get a profit. Profit margins, in call option it is unlimited. Your plan like it will go up to 5,000 rupees. If it is more than 5,000 rupees then your profit will be unlimited, but in put option your profit will be limited. Expectation, call option, increase in the price. So always I'll expect price should increase. Put option always I expect my expectation will be decrease in the share price or index price. Value, call option it will be directly proportionated, put option it is reversed. How to calculate profit or loss for a call option? For example, stock XYZ company which is trading at 500 rupees. Trader, I am a customer, I will expect that it will go up, it will move some 530 rupees in the next 30 days. So trader selects 530 rupees. So right now it is only 500, but I will expect 530 rupees after 30 days. So I will go for the call option. Strike price is 10 rupees. 10 rupees the premium. So for example, for every stock there will be a lot. For example, for this company we have 100 lot, means 10 rupees premium means 1 lot will be 100 shares. So my total investment will be 1000 rupees. Loss, if the stock price falls to 400 rupees, my loss is 1000 rupees only. Profit, on expiration date, so on the 30th day, one expiration date will be on that day, share moves to 560 rupees, but I have expected 530 rupees. Stock price is above the break even point, 60 rupees. So profit will be 60 into 1000 shares, 100 shares, you will get 6000 rupees. My investment will be 1000 rupees. So I will get 5000 profit. So we can see Reliance Industries, right now it was trading present rate, but today's date is 8th May, but I want to go for the call option. So 27th May I am expecting Reliance Industries share goes to 2000 rupees and the premium I am paying 30 rupees 80 paisa and one lot is 250 rupees. So I want to buy one lot 250 lot into 30 rupees 80 paisa, that is my investment. So if it is on 27th May, if it is goes 2000 rupees, my premium will be increased. If it is going beyond 2000 rupees, I may get more profit also. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.